and cheerful morning to all my dear students. I hope you all are fine at home and taking care of your health. So, we're back with our social studies class. And as you remember, we were discussing chapter number 7, that is the equatorial region. In this, we were discussing about the country, that is Democratic Republic of Congo. So before starting with the next, first let us revise what we studied.
Verse 7. The equatorial region. The equatorial region falls in the torrid zone and has a hot and wet climate throughout the year. The region is found on both sides of the equator. It also lies between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. If we look at the map carefully, we'll see that places and continents that come under the equatorial region are South America, Africa, and Southeast Asia. Democratic Republic of the Congo. The Democratic Republic of the Congo, earlier called Zaire, also lies in the equatorial region. We'll be reading about various features of this country in this lesson. Location. The Democratic Republic of the Congo is located in Central Africa. It is the second largest country of Africa after Algeria. The equator passes through the northern part of the country. The largest city, Kinshasa, is the capital. The Democratic Republic of the Congo is surrounded by 9 countries. Let us see the neighbors of this country on the map. West, Republic of Congo. South, Angola, Zambia. North, Central African Republic. East, Uganda, Rwanda, Burundi, Tanzania. Geography. The Democratic Republic of Congo has an area of 9,05,354 square miles. That is 23,44,858 square kilometers. The western tip of the country is touched by the Atlantic Ocean. The country lies between the central of the Congo River basin. The Congo River is the main physical feature of the country and covers almost the whole country. The river basin is a vast low-lying area surrounded by mountains and plateaus. It is called the Highway of Central Africa. The eastern part of the country is the highest, as it contains 3 chains of mountains. The Rwenzori Range lies in the northeast and the Matumba Mountain Range lies in the southeast. Margarita Peak is the highest peak in these mountains at 16,795 feet or 5,119 meters. The country is known for its 4 lakes called Albert, Edward, Kivu, and Tanganyika. The Shaba Plateau lies in the south and the Angola Plateau lies in the southwest. Climate. The Democratic Republic of the Congo lies in the torrid zone and has a tropical climate. We have already discussed the climate of the torrid zone in the previous chapter. This region has no winter season. Vegetation. We know that the region receives rainfall throughout the year, so the country is rich in vegetation. The forest areas are very dense and contain a large variety of trees and plants. There are grasses, shrubs, creepers, climbers, and tall trees. The trees reach a height of about 60 meters. These trees join to make a canopy at the top. This canopy blocks the sunlight and makes the forest damp and dark. The trees shed leaves at different times of the year. Hence, these forests stay green all the year round. Thus, they are popularly known as evergreen forests.
Okay? So, this is what we have discussed. Now let's move on. So all this we have already studied, and now we'll study about the animal life. Okay? So we'll study about the animal life at that place. The forest and the grasslands make the Democratic Republic of the Congo a natural habitat for the wide varieties of animals. So as we know that over here there are many varieties of animals, and because what is the situation? Because the location, that is the forest area is dense. So the animals feel comparatively safe to stay over here. So they have many varieties of animals. Let's see which are they. Here monkeys, chimpanzees, gorillas and baboons swing freely from tree to tree. So as you know, these animals, what they do is they swing from one tree to another. है ना, वो सब जगह भागते हैं. These monkeys, chimpanzees and gorillas, so they feel free to stay over here. Then elephants, hippos, lions, giraffes and rhinos are seen in the marshlands. Okay, so which animals are seen in the marshland? Elephants, hippos, lions, giraffes and rhinos. The rivers and lakes are home of fish, alligators and crocodiles. So as we discussed, there are many variety of animals over here, right? Many types of snakes are also found here. See, antelopes, giraffes and lions live in grasslands. So which animals live in grasslands? Antelopes, giraffes and lions. Colorful birds and butterflies are found in large number. So this means that this forest and this location of Democratic Republic of the Congo must be very beautiful, right? Because we can see that there are so many variety of animals here. Then, but it is very sad that hunting has reduced the number of animals, thereby making some animals extinct. Now, because of this hunting activity, what is happening? There are so many animals that are getting extinct. Okay, ऐसी बहुत सारी varieties of animals हैं, species हैं, जो खत्म होते जा रहे हैं. They are getting extinct. The hippopotamus is one such animal that is considered endangered. Okay, which animal? Hippopotamus is considered as endangered. Means what? That उनकी स्पीशीज जो है वो बहुत ज़्यादा डेंजर में है, वो खतरे में है. वाई? बिकॉज ऑफ दिस कॉन्स्टेंट हंटिंग उनका नंबर डिक्रीज हो गया है. दैट इज वर्ल्ड वाइड हिपोपोटामस आपको बहुत कम दिखेंगे. द bonobos और pygmy chimpanzees are found only in this country, and we are also hearing these animals for the first time, right? The bonobos or the pygmy chimpanzees. So there are variety of animals over here. So good. Now talking about the people and culture, the people of the Democratic Republic of the Congo belong to different cultural groups. Let's see. The region is thinly populated and people are scattered in different villages and towns. So what is said that in this region population is not much. Thinly populated, that means population बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं है. And जो भी थोड़ी बहुत population इनकी है वो पूरी तरफ scattered है. That is, some are in towns, some are in cities, some are in villages. Some people have migrated to towns to work in mines and factories and have also adopted Western lifestyle. So what is it? Just like any small country or small town, what happens? When people want to live a better life, a better lifestyle, what they do? They shift to bigger cities. So this situation is there also. A major part of the population, a major portion of the population lives in villages in the Congo River basin. Their houses are thatched huts with palm leaves. Okay? उनकी houses generally कैसे होते हैं? हट से बने हुए. The original inhabitants were short stature pygmies. Okay, so these were the original inhabitants of this place, the pygmies. You can see over here, this is the picture. So these people, they are the original inhabitants and they are known as pygmies. They are very short, measuring less than 150 centimeter in height. So उनकी height बहुत कम होती है. They live in huts and are still hunters and food gatherers. So after so many years of development and evolution also, still they are living this kind of life. Still they are food gatherers and hunters. Very few pygmies still remain in the Ituri forest in the northeast. A large number of Congolese are Negroes. So Negroes also are there over there and Bantu Negroes. So this is a type of it and ऐसे हमें बहुत लोग मिलेंगे. That is Bantu Negroes and Congolese. The official language of this country is French. Okay, remember which is the official language? French. And Lingala is the official language of military. So military की official language Lingala है and वहाँ की country की language is French. Majority of the people practice some form of Christianity and the remaining still follow traditional African beliefs and other religions. So people over there generally they follow Christian religions or the others, the remaining ones, they follow the traditional African beliefs. Okay, जो पुराने time से African beliefs, culture चल रहे हैं उन्हें follow करते हैं. Is it clear? In the next video we will watch the video also. Okay, next class में हम इसकी भी video देखेंगे. And now it's time for a short worksheet. Which animals swing freely from tree to tree? Which animals are seen in the marshlands? Which animals live in grasslands? And what is the official language of the military in this place? Okay, so I hope the topic is clear to all of you. We'll meet in the next class. Till that, goodbye.